Hello students, here I am going to teach you English based on NCERT syllabus. So I will start from class 6. In this class you have two books. First is Honeysuckle, that is your textbook, and another one is supplementary book. So today I start your chapter 1 of your textbook, that is Honeysuckle, and the chapter name is Who Did Patrick's Homework. Before you read, discuss in the class. Do you like homework? First of all, tell me how many students like to do their homework. Do you do it yourself or do you get help? It means you take help from your elders or do it yourself. What homework do you usually have? Means which subject do you like most? So now student, I am going to start your first chapter, Who Did Patrick's Homework. It was the story of a boy named Patrick. Patrick never did homework. He played hockey. He played basketball. He played in Nintendo Instant. He hated homework. So in these lines, student, you observe that Patrick, who hated homework, only loved to play games like hockey, basketball, and Nintendo means video games. So he hated homework. He did not like to do homework. He only wanted to play games. Now student, do you know what happened one day with Patrick? Then one day he found his cat playing with a doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll at all but a man of 10 years size. So Patrick was very amazed and surprised to see the smallest man in size. He had little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and high tall hat, much like witch. So this tells us about the personality of smallest man. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you wish. I promise you that." When Patrick told smallest man to give back him again to his cat, then little man asked him not to give to his cat. He made promise to help him in his any work. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was, so he said, "Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days." So student, while listening the wish that 10th man promised him to do, then Patrick asked him to help in his doing homework till the end of the semester. And true to his word, began to do the little elf Patrick's homework. The elf did not always know what to do, and he needed help. He did not know the meaning of word. He needed a dictionary. Now little elf made the promise, but he did not know any meaning of word. he needed a dictionary. So in this picture, student, you saw the elf was concerning dictionary to know the meaning of words. When it comes to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? So these lines shows that Patrick hated to do maths. Maths become 0 to Patrick. The elf shrieked, "We elves never need that." And addition, subtraction, and division and fractions. Elf said that he never needed addition, subtraction, division, fraction. These are totally 0 to him. Elves know nothing of human history. Means Elf really did not know any about human history, how the man came in form, and how he discovered all these things, and so on. As a matter of fact, Patrick was working harder than ever. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary. So in these lines, it shows that only Patrick's hard work Patrick's hard work made to achieve his goal. Finally, the last day of the school arrived, and Elf was free to go. Now Elf kept his promise, and he helped Patrick in his homework and was free to go. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed, his teachers smiled and were full of praise. His parents wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. So in this what you see that Patrick got his A grade. His teachers and parents were shocked and surprised. What had happened to Patrick? So he was now the model king. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now students, you observe that Patrick became a good boy, model kid, and had a good habits and changed his attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But in the end, you notice that Patrick just now believed that only with the help of Elf he could achieve his goal. But students, you know the secret is something else. But the secret is something else. It was not the elf. Patrick had done it himself. But it's only Patrick hard work made him to reach A grade. So this story was written by Carol Morey. So with this, I am finished my first chapter of Your Honey Circle. I hope you like it and enjoy the story. Thanks.